Hi guys, it's Mark from pond.college, your trusted resource in the UK for ponds and water features. It's Halloween weekend, so happy Halloween for you guys that get all spooky. Yeah, it's a bit different this year. We can't go out trick-or-treating, and but we can still spoil the kids. So today's video is all about how to calculate rock for ponds. So I'm just spinning you around. We've had delivery, so if anybody's been following us, we've had delivery of rock. So we've got glacial boulders, we've got aqua blues, we've got brown ironstone that are hand-picked from Oxfordshire, all ready for the display garden here at Pond College. And what I'm doing today is basically teaching you guys how to calculate the amount of stone that you need to build ponds like this, the aquascape ecosystem pond. And the amount of times when people say, Mark, how much stone do I need? And there's a quick calculation, but before we go inside to do the calculation, just check out that stone. It's massive. It's 6 foot long, 4 foot wide, and it's about 1 foot deep. And we're going to put that on the back side here somewhere. We might build a grotto, we might build you know, something like that, or a big framing rock. Maybe it's actually sat in the bank like that, but down there. We've also got a few plants ready for the gardens. We've got a load more stone here. Just check out all of this stone. Like I say, we had about 80 ton delivered. So let's get into the actual purpose of this video and work out what stone you need, or how much stone you need for ponds and water features. So it's a quick calculation. Let's go inside now, and I'll spin the camera around and I'll get a whiteboard out and basically talk through the differences. So there is a little bit of a difference in the density of rock. So sometimes it's a case of you need a little bit more weight because of the density. So the aqua blues, for instance, are more dense than the brown ironstone, but it comes with a little bit of experience how much stone you actually need. So what I thought I'd do is I thought I'd come inside out of the wind, and I'll spin you around now. So that's better, you can see now. So how much stone? So if we're talking a 5 metre by 3 metre pond, like the large pond that we've got, that's 15 square metres of pond surface, and 1 ton of rock will do approximately 3.6 square metres per ton. So what we do is we times the length by the width, that equals 15, then we divide it by 3.6, and that equals 4 ton. And how that breaks down is we have 1 ton of small stone, 2 ton of medium, and 1 ton of large, which is on a 2-to-1 ratio. And the gravel, again, the same sort of size. So we have you know, small 20 mil gravel, then we have a number of big ones from 28 to 40 mil, and then we have another portion of that or third ton. So if you're building a 5 metre by 3 metre pond, you need 1.3 tons of gravel in 3 different sizes if you want to make it naturalistic. If obviously you're building a garden pond and you're not worried about it being naturalistic, you don't have to worry. So here's the 2 different calculations at the bottom. So if you're working in feet, it's exactly the same. You just divide it by 40. So that's 40 square feet per ton. So let's do the length by the width. So let's say that we were doing a length, let's do a small pond. So it would be 10 foot long by 8 foot wide, which is 80 for easy maths. Then you divide it by 40, which gives you 2 ton of stone. Then what I would do is I would mix it. So I would do 1 ton of small or medium, and then 1 ton of medium large. So then it's basically 2 lots, because we're only talking about 2 ton on a small pond. And then I would bring in probably about half a ton, 3/4 of a ton of gravel in different sizes in bags. And again, there's the calculation in meters. So it's a quick one. How much rock you need for an aquascape ecosystem pond? It's a very easy calculation. Let me spin you back round again now. So there we go. You've got a bit of a calculation, and that's what we do here at Pond College. It's all about educating you guys and inspiring you guys by putting in these displays and putting in the kits. It's all about education and inspiration here at Pond College, and obviously we do some sort of funny theme stuff. We've got the sand pit, so I'm inviting you, soon as the lockdown is over, probably we're talking about 2021, but certainly we're geared up for it. We had a lot planned for 2020, but certainly it's a case of you're more than welcome to reach out and get on the mailing list as soon as the lockdown, as soon as we can have more than 6. I know that there's several parts of the country that are in more lockdown than we are here in Northamptonshire at the moment as we speak. And obviously we've got to be very careful. Yes, people come here and pick up their orders and they can have a look at the Pond College, but it is appointment only and also for collection only. It's not literally just come and we would love to just open the doors and you can come, no problem. But my name's Mark, the Pond Advisor, and I'm here to support you, dream, plan and enjoy ponds and water features. And until next time, keep rocking.